Welcome to another Swissbit product tutorial. Swissbit is a leading global manufacturer of flash storage and security solutions. This time we'll take a look at the iShield camera card tool, iCCT. The freely downloadable software provided by Swissbit works with the microSD security solution iShield Camera. The Swissbit iShield camera card is a microSD memory card that provides encryption and access protection for all recorded content like photos and videos, recorded by various types of cameras such as drones, dash cams, body cams, action cams, trail cams, or photo cameras. If you want to learn more about this microSD card, simply view our product introduction video. So let's get started. In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn about how to use iShield Camera, along with the types of things to consider when working with it. Before we get started, make sure you have the following to hand. First, one Swissbit iShield Camera microSD card. Second, a PC to run iCCT. Windows 10, Mac OS and Linux are supported. You can download the tool on our website. You'll find the link in the video description. And third, one camera of your choice which supports microSD cards in SD standard format FAT32. If you have just purchased or received the iShield camera card, it will work like a regular memory card. No data protection features will be active. To activate the security function, plug the card into your PC and launch the previously downloaded iShield camera card tool. The card should now become visible within the software. Click on the product picture to start the activation process. On the next screen, hit Activate. A word of caution. The security activation will delete all data stored on the memory card, so if there's anything that you want to save, cancel the process now, save the data and restart the process again. Otherwise, hit Continue. In the next step, you will be asked to set and confirm your PIN. The PIN supports alphanumeric characters and special characters. The PIN is essential for the further management of the card. Once your PIN has been successfully activated, this dialog will be shown. Now the card is ready for use. Please remove it from your PC and immediately put it into the camera of your choice. All files will remain visible and readable until you shut the camera off and on again. Please do not remove the card while the camera is switched on, as data losses may occur. You can now use the card with your camera, just as usual. The data on the card is now protected and it can only be accessed after authentication in the tool. You have several more useful options to manage your card in iCCT. Change PIN allows you to set a new PIN for the memory card. Deactivate security allows you to turn your memory card into a regular, not secured device. The content of the card will remain when deactivating security. Factory reset allows you to restore the factory default of the card with no active security function. This is also possible without a PIN, in case you forgot it, but all data will be irrecoverably lost by this process. It is possible to use the microSD card with a different camera model to the one it was initially used for by reinitializing it. In order to do this, deactivate security as described before and copy all files that you want to keep. Then, use the official SD formatting tool from SD Association to format the card. It can be downloaded for free for Windows and Mac. You'll find the link in the description. After turning the camera off and on, all previously recorded data will automatically be access protected. You can still see information like file names and recording dates, but all access to the file actual content will be strictly prohibited until you have authenticated yourself. To access and download the card's content, plug the iShield camera card into your PC, start iCCT and enter your previously set PIN as authentication when prompted. In the next dialog, you can choose to view all files or download them to a selected folder and thus wipe the card. Both latter operations will ask for the PIN that you have set during the initial setup. Once you have saved your data on a PC, for instance, your card can be plugged back into your camera for further recording. So let's sum it up. Before you use the microSD card for the first time, you need to install the iShield camera card tool ICCT on your PC. The ICCT can be downloaded from our website for free. Then plug the card into your PC, launch the tool, select the card and set your personal authentication PIN. After formatting, you can reinitialize your iShield card as described earlier before using it in the new camera. For more information, for example how to use your iShield camera with another device or resolving issues, feel free to download our iShield camera manual from our website. The link is in the description.